This is you 5 years in the future. Why do I look like that? I hope that's not what I look like in 5 years. Ah! I am here to tell you something. I am here to give you advice. Yeah, I want to start a YouTube channel. You need to focus. A wise man once said, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Well, the same is true for dreams. A dream without a plan is just a wish. If you want your dreams to be fulfilled, you must look inside yourself. You have a responsibility to share your story, share your message, and help people. Think about how you've been in the last 5 years.
Oh man, do we have to talk about that?
Think about how far you've come. How can you help somebody else walking the same path? Hold their hand. Give them advice. Give them hope. Give them courage and inspiration.
How can I help people?
This is how you can help the world.
But what would be my niche?
This will be your niche. This will be your calling and your mission. And it is up to you to start now. Now!
Okay, I'll get right on it, I promise.